Hey everyone, today I would like to give you a bit of tutorial regarding the new edition of my Excel VBA. And this time I'm going to give you a bit of tip and trick regarding Excel VBA. And it's just a small VBA coding that I'm going to give you this time. And it's going to be an easy one. As a matter of fact, just a one-liner of the coding that I'm going to give you. And it's easy thing to do. Right now, I have an open book one of the Excel. Okay. So the thing that I'm going to teach you is how to automatically adjust the uh, the columns, the A, B, C, D, E, etc. columns that we have in the spreadsheet. Right now, what I'm gonna give you is like, for example, if I'm going to give you an employee number, okay, let's say employee name, it overlaps. So department, okay, and etc. So right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna adjust the column. You can actually do it one time just by clicking the A, B, and C, and then adjust it like that. Or you can go to the format, okay, here, then auto fit column width, this one, okay. So I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna make it a automatic auto fit of the columns. Okay, so I'm gonna make it an auto fit by doing a VBA. Okay, so right now, okay, what we have in our tabs above here, we have, you have the file, home, insert, page, layout, formulas, data, review, and help. And what I'm gonna use is I'm gonna need a developer tab. So right now we don't have that developer tab. So okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the developer tab by clicking the file, and then clicking more here, down here, and then clicking the options. Okay, in the options, you got selections here, general formulas, data, proofing, save language, accessibility, advanced, and customized ribbon. So what I'm gonna use is I'm gonna click the customized ribbon here in order for me to get this this window. So here there is a developer, but the developer is not being clicked. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click this developer here in order for us to have this developer on our here on our ribbon. It's already here. So okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the developer, okay, and then open the Visual Basic here. The Visual Basic, okay, we have already the Visual Basics window, and then uh, we already have an open one sheet, which is sheet number one here. Just click this one, and then here above here we have the general. Okay, we don't need general. We just open the worksheet. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is we already have the what you call macro, private subroutine, worksheet selection, chains, etc., and then the end sub. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type the cells because that is what we're gonna make the adjustment. Then cells that um, we're gonna make, and the all the columns automatically adjusted. So autopit. So I'll just type here entire column. So it's already here. So, okay, cells, entire column, then, okay, auto fit, right? Where's the auto fit? It's not here. So you can type the auto fit. Okay, already here, auto fit. So this is the code that we have, cells dot entire column auto fit. Okay, then end sub, right? Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to the worksheet here. Then I'm gonna type the employee number. So automatically the column adjusted automatically. Then employee name. So you don't have to adjust every time you type something here. You don't have to adjust. Okay. Let me give you some samples. Home address. Okay. Automatic. It adjusted automatically. Email, address, etc. Okay. So you don't have to adjust the column every time you type something here, and the text that you have typewritten does not fit. So you don't have to adjust the column because of the VBA coding that we just written on the VBA. Okay. So let's see what happens. Okay, there's another way of going to the VBA, which is much faster, right? Okay, we go to the Visual Basic, and then I'll just delete this one. Okay, then I'm gonna go back to the. I'm gonna go back to the. Uh, yeah, here in the sheet number one. So another way of doing it is you go to the sheet number one. Okay, here the tab of the sheet one. Then right click, then view code. Okay, here just click this view code, and that would be much quicker compared to if you don't have, let's say for example, you don't have a developer tab, then you can do this way. Okay, so what we do is okay, we just click the worksheet here. Automatically the private tab will open. Okay, and then we'll just do the same thing. Cells dot entire column, this one, dot auto fit. Okay, auto fit. Just click the auto fit. Okay, then let's go back to the worksheet. Then let us type again the employee number. Again, automatic. The column gets adjusted. Okay, employee name, etc. Okay, so this is it for tips and trick for this Excel VBA. And thank you for watching.